Hi, I'm Austin from ALLETT Mowers, and I wanted to tell you about one of the challenges I've got this year in my lawn at home. We've got a new addition to the family, came just a couple of months ago. This is Chester, and everything was going fine until, of course, you start to get the blotches in the lawn, and it's summertime as well, so the ground's really dry. So when he pees, I think the intensity of it all is just a little bit too much for the grass, and so we're getting a few problems. So I want to show you what I'm doing now to start to repair the problems that Chester's causing us. I thought it might be of interest to some people in their lawns at home. So here we are, typical patch. You can see the grass where the ammonia is at a good level. The grass is looking really green, but it's dead as a dough-nail in the middle there. So I'm going to need to reseed this. But what I have discovered is a bit of a cheat. So if I want to do a really cosmetic repair, just because I don't want to see that brown patch, it's not going to cause this to regrow. But I've discovered this, and it's called Get It Green. And I can simply do this. If you watch, I now no longer have a brown patch. But of course this grass is going to grow all around it, and the brown grass isn't going to stay there forever, so it's not a repair, it really is just a cosmetic cover-up. But I just thought I'd show you that because I thought that was interesting. So that's a cosmetic repair, but really what we need to do is to get this repaired so that the new grass is growing well. So what I need to do is I'm going to just rake out this area. I'm just using a very simple hand raking tool, it's most convenient. And I'm actually going to rake all that dead material out. It doesn't matter if I excavate slightly into the soil, but what I've managed to do is take all that debris. I'm going to throw that debris away. But what I'm now going to do is I'm just going to get some grass seed, and I'm just going to sprinkle that in. I'm going to put quite a good density, and I'm going to go quite a way outside of the repair itself. And I'm going to rub that into the bottom of the grass plants. And then what I've got here is a soil sand mix. So it's a good quality topsoil with a little bit of sand in it just to lighten it up. And I'm just going to sprinkle some of that soil over. So you can see now why it didn't matter if I excavated slightly, because I'm going to build up the level here. So little bits and pieces, lumps. But now I've got that seed covered. If grass seed is not covered, it won't grow. If you just leave grass seed on the surface, one, it doesn't really germinate, and two, if it does germinate, then it's going to have no substance underneath it for the roots to go into, and it won't survive. So make sure it's absolutely covered, ideally 1/4 to 1/2 inch, and then make sure it's really packed down. So that's the repair, and then I'll get some water on that, and I'll try and keep on top of that watering as well, and that patch will repair in a matter of just a couple of weeks.